Good morning. Today starting off your Monday with great visibility. We do have some clouds overhead right now, but we do have some good visibility in the distance, so you can see pretty well. So glad to see that after what was a week of fog last week. We had some big changes this weekend with the warm up and the melting that we had. And now we're kind of returning back to some colder temperatures without the fog though here in the valley, so that's something to be glad for here for today. Let's take a look at our temperatures. They are below freezing now, and so where we've had some melting in any of those parking lots or some of those side streets where we had a lot of slush, it's probably frozen over again this morning, so it's going to be a little crunchy on that morning drive as you're heading out. But other than that, it's looking pretty good. Temperatures in the south still into the 20s. That colder air taking its time, working its way in. Northern Valley rather is into the teens, even a single digit up in Langdon, and that's basically Highway 2 and north from there where we're looking at the teens right now. Gradually, that colder air will continue to filter into the Southern Valley. Our wind speeds are a little bit brisk. We're looking at winds out of the northwest or north. We've got some gusts still into the 20s in Fergus Falls and in Wadena, a gust to 24 in Wadena right now. We do have that wind anywhere from about 8 miles per hour in Cooperstown to that low 20 mile per hour range at this point in time. Here's the thing we want to see this morning. Visibility reports all coming in at the maximum visibility that can be reported at 10 miles. So no issues with fog to start off today. Love to see that. Finally getting a break from that here this week. And a look at your radar and satellite map. We do have some clouds overhead right now. We just saw it on our sky cam, and radar indicating some snow down in southeastern parts of North Dakota. No reports of that actually reaching the ground at this point in time, but if it were, it would be around the Edgeley area down into other parts of Lemoore County too here to start off today. So that's one area where we may see some flakes here to start off. And checking out your hour-by-hour planner, that's where we're more likely to have the cloud cover through the morning hours, and even into the afternoon we could hang on to that. Temperatures are going to be dipping into the single digits a little more here this morning as we continue on in the Northern Valley, Southern Valley. It's going to be just a gradual slide today. So we're looking at by noon temperatures down into the teens, and then we just kind of hold there as we continue through the afternoon hours. So colder today. We're looking at some sunshine though making an appearance yet again here today. That'll be welcome. And there may be some high clouds kind of filtering that out just a little bit, but overall looking like a better day here today than the way we ended our week last week. And checking out our evening planner, quiet. We'll see some clearing again heading into tonight, and some cold temperatures overnight, especially because we've gotten used to this milder air in place. So tomorrow morning we're going to start off the day, especially in the Northern Valley, a few degrees below zero in spots. So again, Highway 2 north from there. Southern Valley more into the single digits above or right at zero. And then continuing on into the day for your Tuesday, just expecting to have some pretty nice weather here. We're looking at some mild conditions, some quiet conditions, not necessarily mild here, but temperatures that are not only below freezing, but close to zero for some of us into the afternoon. And then into tomorrow night, keeping that cold around for a little while. Here's your photo today, a tree house in the Little Cormorant area. Thanks, Dennis, for sharing with that beautiful sunrise in the background. And in your 7-day planner, like to see those suns showing up there. I think even today we'll have a good opportunity at that. And then continuing into the first half of the week, a little on the colder side. We warm up on Thursday, but with it comes a chance for some snow both Thursday and into Friday. So it's February. It's to be expected that we'd see that kind of weather.
Right, and cooler, but still in the teens.
Right, it's not a big Arctic blast that's hitting us here.
Thank you, Lisa.
Sticking to fitness isn't always easy if you have a packed schedule, but new tech is helping those with no time find some gym time. We'll explain how up next.